Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this one I'm going to show you how to fix the rendering error when trying to export media in Adobe Premiere Pro. Like this one. So, as you can see I have my project here. So be sure to select a project, like clicking on it, like this. Then go to File, Project Settings, General, and you can see the renderer option here. Make sure to change the GPU acceleration to Mercury Playback Engine software only. Then hit OK. With this renderer, it will take a little longer to render your video, but you will get rid of your problem, hopefully. So, this is it for this video. If this worked for you, be sure to let me know down in the comments below, and leave a like and subscribe for more content. Stay awesome, my friends.